टेक्नोलॉजी की ना तो बारिश चल रही है इन द लास्ट फ्यू डेज। देखिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कोई, बिकॉज सम ऑफ दीज हैव बीन फोन्स दैट कैन एक्चुअली बी फोल्डेड लाइक दिस टू मेक अ रूफ लाइक एन अम्ब्रेला। बट जोक्स अपार्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक टू माई प्रेडिक्शंस। मैंने कहा था पिछले साल दैट इवन इफ यू डोंट बाय अ फोल्डिंग फोन राइट नाउ, आपकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं, you soon will, because they will keep getting better and better and better, and they will work out their kinks, their problems, जो भी उनमें problem है, and sooner or later they will also get cheaper. Okay, sorry, ये cheap word आजकल use ही नहीं करना चाहिए, wrong term हो गया है. They will become budget phones also. Now watch the Moto Razr 2019 video that I did. ये देखिए यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, ये मैंने किया था. Bye. This is a clamshell phone, the Moto Razr, and this is an iconic phone. But you know what used to be the most beautiful part, besides the amazing engineering of this phone, besides the fact that at that time there was no phone like this in the whole world, this used to be the best part. Okay, bye. Tuck. Oh, that feels so good. If you're angry with someone, okay, go to hell. Tuck. That used to feel really good, and this went on to become one of the world's biggest selling phones and the world's biggest clamshell phone ever in terms of sales, more than 100 million, some huge number. But then of course clamshell phones died out. There are none right now, until now. Watch what I take out. This is a revolution. This is the Moto Razr 2019, and this is a whole different ball game, because it's this small, this thin, 14 mm thin. It's got everything you want in a new smartphone, every bells and whistles that you want, but it does something no other phone can. From this clamshell, it goes into this. Yes, you get a 6.2-inch screen in a phone with a foldable screen that is built in. I mean, there are other foldable phones, but this goes about it doing it dramatically differently. Clamshell, you want a big phone, but you don't want the big size that comes with a big phone. Fold it in half, put it away, fits literally everywhere. Second thing, it's got an outer screen, inner screen, great cameras, all the other great stuff that you really want. You want in a phone like this, but look at the incredible convenience. Clamshells are back, and how. I'm going to show it to you once again because it feels so good. So, small little phone, screen on the outside, boom. And it's going to be coming to India very soon. Watch out for more details very soon around the India launch. I was very pleasantly surprised with this one, right? ये था दुनिया का सबसे पहला flip phone, clamshell phone, folding phone. And then and there I knew it कि folding phones हैं हमारे future. वो जो feeling है ना, now it has become completely solid with this, the brand new Moto Razr 2. बिकॉज ये एक रियल अपग्रेड है, अनलाइक अदर कंपनी जो माइनर अपग्रेड्स करती हैं, दिस वन इज अ मेजर वन. सो व्हाट ऑल आर वी डूइंग इन द वीडियो टुडे? एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ करेंगे हम लोग. पहले वी विल ऑफ कोर्स टेक अ लुक एट द Moto Razr 2 फ्रॉम ऑल एंगल्स, फोल्डिंग एंड अनफोल्डिंग. वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर इट विद द Razr 1 फ्रॉम 2019. वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स. वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट इट्स अपग्रेडेड कैमरास, अपग्रेडेड फीचर्स. वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू लुक एट द सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट्स जो उन्होंने किए हैं, मेक दिस फोन वेरी यूनिक. वी विल आल्सो लुक एट हाउ इट फेयर्स अगेंस्ट इट्स ओनली कॉम्पिटिशन, और वो है Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. ये ना एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंपैरिजन है. I'll tell you why. देखिए, अगर आपने फ्लिप फोन खरीदना है, स्मार्टफोन जो कि फ्लिप फोन है, there are only 2 in the whole world. And if you want to buy a flip phone that has a folding screen, फिर भी सिर्फ 2 ही हैं पूरी दुनिया में. And thus, which one is better is a very important question, and that question only gets answered in one place. यहाँ Tech Magnified में, here and now. ये है Moto Razr 2. हर चीज अपडेट कर दी गई है, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज इट इज नाउ इनटू सेकंड जनरेशन. तो स्टार्ट ऑफ करते हैं. पहले तो इट इज 5G रेडी. इट्स नाउ रनिंग ऑन द Snapdragon 765G वर्सेस पिछले साल Snapdragon 710 था. इसमें उन्होंने अब डाल दिया है 8 gigs of RAM versus 6 GB from last year. It now comes with a base storage of 256 GB instead of the 128 GB from 2019. This one runs longer because they've added 290 mAh more of battery power और इसमें बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है. They've even tripled the megapixel count for the main camera sensor. पिछले साल 16 megapixel unit था. This time it's been boosted to 48 megapixel in the Razr 2. And then the big one for good video and good shots, there is optical image stabilization built into this form factor. बहुत बड़ी बात है. And just many more optimizations have been brought in. उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Not just to the results that the camera is outputting, but even to the process of capturing everything. The camera interface has been completely cleaned up. बिल्कुल नया है and software features have been added for extra fun. I'm really liked the auto HDR results. Very surprised by the night vision mode's result in relative dim light. And I'm glad to see effects like spot color कि वो work कर रहे थे even in video. Plus professional mode जो है, yes, so good. Still a joy taking a selfie from the outer display, knowing that you are actually taking the selfie from the main camera of a phone, not the inferior selfie camera जो हर phone में होता है. तो ये बहुत important चीज़ है इसमें. Now just to give you some numbers, internal camera के numbers को भी quadruple कर दिया है. 5 megapixel था पिछले साल, अब 20 megapixel कर दिया इन्होंने. A lot of good stuff is happening in the cover display also. I think ये सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है in this flip phone. And frankly, एक flip phone में अगर outer screen अच्छी ना हो तो पूरा phone बेकार हो जाता है. Motorola has really gone the whole hog and done a great job with it. Software has kept its promise. The front screen is now much more useful than before. It does a lot more than before. Quick notification view has become much better. Quick view app tray has gotten better with better optimization. I think that is one part that I really loved using. Just make sure peak display को आपने enable कर दिया है for this to fluidly happen. I'd go as far as to say that it's very convenient to even type and chat from outside when it does seem a little small. आपको लगेगा many apps just pick and continue on the bigger screen. यहाँ पे कुछ कर रहे हैं, just open it up, carries on when you actually open this phone out. List of apps that support this screen has also increased, which means I'm very happy about this, not flipping it like James Bond for everything when I'm alone at home. And thus I am critically saving battery life also. If you add all this up, अगर आप बाहर की screen को use कर सकते हैं, you save a lot of battery life. I have to say alone at home in the last line because public में I am being James Bond. You know, मैंने अपने एक दोस्त को कुछ घंटे के लिए ये phone दिया and he said, चाहे कॉल आ रही हो या ना आ रही हो, he kept flipping the phone open again and again and again because असली मजा ही ये है ना, you just open it out. Yes, that feeling and experience is exhilarating to say the least. And you know, that further brings me to talk about this internal screen जो hinge पे ये काम कर रहा है. It is absolutely amazing. Stainless steel का hinge है. It has gotten even better. It has become easier to flip open and very robust, very good feeling. Yet you can feel the sturdiness. इसमें कोई creaking नहीं है, कोई आवाज नहीं आती है.
Ready fold करो.
Engineering is absolutely perfect. When the phone is shut, you literally can't see through. आप एक पेपर भी इसके अंदर स्लाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. It is that flush. और जब आप इसको खोल देते हैं, आपको लगेगा it is exactly like last year's screen, लेकिन इसमें भी कुछ फर्क है. It is more clean, more stretched, more smooth some way than the last year. But I think maybe because जिस तरीके से इन्होंने hinge को rework किया है, you can feel the crease even a little. बहुत अगर आप बहुत करें तो you can feel it. Screen is aligned a bit better with the bezel now and I'm glad that there are bezels out here. You know, मेरे हिसाब से I'd protect the display over risking it with a waterfall-like display approach. Water से याद आया, it is still probably the only folding phone that has a water-repellent coating. So spill करें आप इसको, even a walk in the rain, it will survive those very easily. Now, as I said right in the beginning, this phone is very unique right now. Technically, सिर्फ दो फोन हैं that can claim to be clamshell flip folding phones. One is the descendant of the OG clamshell, the Moto Razr 2, और दूसरा है Samsung का Z Flip. And I promised you I would compare them and tell you which one is better. Differences between the two start as soon as you pick and open them. अब दोनों में कोई आपको ये नहीं लगेगा कि टाइम लगेगा, दोनों का क्या फर्क है. Razer is more premium to the touch. After all, it's got 3D glass on the front and back. Z Flip has a plastic layer on the front. Razer also feels far thinner to hold, and it is thinner despite having this chin out here. It's still very, very thin. Now that the phone is open, might as well look at the software that these two devices are running. Clean and near stock Android hai on the Razer with nifty and handy touches like the Moto Peak display and the Moto Actions have been added. Samsung ka Z Flip hai, it has Samsung's One UI 2.5 which has still come a long way. Lekin abhi I think mere hisab se it has a long distance to cover when it has to be that clutter and hassle-free experience jo stock Android mein mil raha hai on a Motorola phone. Motorola to ye bhi kehta hai ki isme better network performance hai even when the phone is closed because isme quad antenna positioning hai. Aur ab chalte hain towards I think the most important part of this comparison between these two phones, and that is जब phone खुला है, I've already told you, लेकिन जब phone बंद है, the Razer is a hands down winner. Samsung वाले में तो it doesn't even have something that we can actually call a screen. I think it's इतना छोटा सा postage stamp सा है, you can't really do anything with it. Moto Razer 2 में you can do many things with the screen. You can not only see notifications, you can actually reply to messages and have many apps like navigation and many more work on the smaller screen and work very well. Samsung Z Flip का जो ticker है is just that, is just a tiny little ticker like a pager. आप कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते जो information आ गई. Add to that the optically stabilized new camera setup on this and some of the other optics. Moto का Razer 2 चाहे आप इसका front camera लें चाहे इसका back camera लें, it is actually miles ahead of the Samsung flagship phone, and I'll tell you how. देखिए, was the selfie camera you ask? Well, obviously because of the, I already told you, yes, large and practical front screen, it becomes great for selfies. And I'm not even counting कि इसमें 20 megapixel का dedicated selfie camera है the Razer पे versus the 10 megapixel one on the Samsung Z Flip 5G. Ab lastly, let me tell you another thing that really impressed me. Snapdragon 765G. It's zippy, it's fast, it's got 5G built into the SoC. Most importantly, it's great for battery life, and that kind of narrows down the gap between the battery capacity of these two phones. See, you will need to open the Samsung Z Flip 5G for 100% of your tasks. उसके बिना आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन Moto Razer 2 में, I'd say more than 50% of the time, you don't need the larger screen. Smaller screen is more than enough. That's a huge battery saving. Now let's get the price out of the equation. Here's the price. Well, Motorola seems to be very serious about the phone in the Indian market and has been now aggressive with the price. और उन्होंने साथ में बहुत सारे great offers भी डाल दिए हैं that actually makes this quite a great phone right now. ये जो नया Razer सीरीज है ना, is proof that this new technology और classic icon design दोनों को अगर आप एक साथ डाल दें, you get great results. This is the prettiest folding screen device right now, and that is saying something क्योंकि those people that are going to buy a folding flip phone, they want it to look good. While everything from last year has been upgraded, the only thing that Motorola couldn't do is stop me from closing the video like I closed the 2019 Razer video by hanging up